Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade vinegar, only way. Choose a base like wine, cider, beer, or fruit scraps and add a vinegar mother or unpasteurized vinegar. Use a wide jar for oxygen, cover with breathable cloth, and keep warm around room temperature. Stir weekly, taste periodically, and when acidity reaches your preference, strain and bottle the vinegar for storage. Gather your base liquid, a vinegar mother or raw vinegar, and a wide-mouthed jar. Clean your jar thoroughly, but avoid sterilizing fully if using natural microbes. Pour the base into the jar, leaving headspace for oxygen, then add the mother or a splash of raw vinegar. Cover with breathable cloth secured by a rubber band and place the jar in a warm, stable spot away from direct sunlight for fermentation. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while tending jars and stirring your vinegar batches, and it makes a handy companion in the kitchen or garden. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the jar where temperature stays steady near room temperature and away from strong odors. Stir gently weekly to introduce oxygen and discourage mold on the surface. Watch for a gelatinous mother forming and avoid any fuzzy or colored mold growth. Begin tasting after a few weeks and transfer to bottles when acidity and flavor match your preference for cooking or cleaning uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.